the richness of the soft meat, crispiness of the brined pickled onions, smooth guacamole on the bottom. Makes the perfect carnitas taco. Hi, I'm Chef Claudette Zepeda-Wilkins. I am the executive chef and partner of El Jardín in San Diego, California. We have a fully operational mini urban farm. Every day we work very hard to make Mexico proud. Today we're making Michoacan-style carnitas. Carnitas literally translates to meat. It is traditionally made with pork. That's how we know it in Mexico. But you can make carnitas out of any meat. In my household, we would eat it during special occasions, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Dia de los Reyes, which is the first part of January. So you bring it up to a boil, and you can see a lot of these like impurities, what you would get in broth, come out of the meat. That's just gonna give your end product more flavor. So a great starting point for so many other Mexican dishes. The second day of carnitas is perfect for making tamales. When you make tamales, it's a very long process, and I remember as a kid, there was always the one thing that we would forget. You just look down and you're like, why do I have so many carnitas left? Thankfully, I come from a lot of really funny women. It results in a lot of really bad jokes and pointing fingers on whose fault it was. We have veggie tamales, it's fine. Veggie tamales are great too. We're gonna continue to boil this until half of the liquid reduces, and then we'll go to the next step. Opening a restaurant is an incredible challenge, even harder when you do something that people have in their heads of what Mexican food is. People think that I'm insane for importing a lot of my ingredients. I like to say that I'm making grandma-style food in a contemporary manner. Now that is going to be used so it fries the meat at the end. You still have some liquid in there, and that's fine, it'll evaporate. Being a female chef is hard in itself. We have our fair amount of obstacles. This is a male industry. Being a mom and being a chef, the hardest struggle internally comes from that. The most beautiful part of opening my restaurant was having the kids there. This is my life. My life is dedicated to Mexico. My life is dedicated to my roots, La Madre Tierra, our soil, where we come from. Mother Earth always calls you back. Everyone has their calling in life. I've come to the realization that this is mine. I am incredibly proud to be Mexican and to be the keeper of all of these beautiful dishes. We all have one commonality. We all have food. Hi guys. You hungry? We have carnitas. Use your hands. There you go. Excuse you.
Excuse you.
No? You sure?
Yeah.
Come on. I'm the one with the little arms. That is a mess.
But it's good.
It's delicious.
Here you go, ma'am.
There you go, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Help. Well, I'm glad I got to show everyone how to make carnitas, and now we get to go and enjoy this on our own. Bye.